The tomato journey begins in vast modern farms, where millions of tomatoes are grown and carefully monitored. Advanced machines harvest millions of tomatoes quickly and efficiently. Only the best tomatoes continue to the factory. The tomato harvest operates on a massive industrial scale.
Keep it steady, watch the turn up ahead. Looks secure back here. Let's keep moving. Make sure these crates are scanned before they hit the belt, right there. Got it. The next pallet is ready for pickup. The size is 82 millimeters. Ripeness score checks out. Logging it. All right, that's the last pallet for truck 16. Clear this lane, let's get moving. Over.
Over.
The freshly harvested tomatoes are transported directly to the factory.
Alpha team, Bay 3 is clear. Send the next load.
Roger that, bringing it around now. All right, keep the convoy moving smoothly.
Affirmative. Gate 3 is clear for the next delivery.
All right, keep it coming. Watch the line. Clear the hopper, let's move. Quality looks excellent on this batch. All right, driver, back it up to the line. Next truck, Bay 2 is open. Check the firmness on this crate here. Yeah. Looks good, moving it to the next stage. We need to speed up the sorting on line 3. All right, I'll adjust the flow rate now.
Every tomato must be thoroughly cleaned before processing.
Pressure looks good on this batch. Agreed, they are coming out spotless. These are looking good today, John. Yeah, the new nozzles are working perfectly. Clear the line, we're good to go. Confirmed, moving to drying.
Now the tomatoes are clean and ready for sorting. We need to recalibrate the sensitivity on the third sorter. I just adjusted the parameters. It should stabilize now.
The quality analysis reports look excellent this hour. Yes, the sorting accuracy is holding steady at 99%.
Technology ensures only premium tomatoes move forward.
The soluble solids are lower in batch C. Yes, but the color grading is consistent across the board. These look excellent. Keep an eye on the moisture levels after the rinse.
Roger that. Sensors are reading within tolerance.
A final inspection guarantees consistent tomato quality. The tomatoes are now ready to be transformed into products enjoyed around the world.
Check the flow rate on panel 3. Yep. Looks steady at 200 liters per minute. The viscosity levels are stable. We are clear for final processing.
Confirmed. The color grade is excellent.
Look at this trend line for the lycopene levels. It's consistently rising. Yeah. Yes, the adjustments are having the desired effect on the yield data. The viscosity is holding steady at 2.5. Good, keep monitoring the temperature on the south vat.
The crushed tomatoes are transformed into smooth tomato puree. The puree consistency is optimal. Data logged. Good. Let's increase the throughput by 10%. Filtration removes unwanted tomato skins and seeds. Read that gauge again, I'm getting a fluctuation. It's holding steady now. I've logged the previous reading.
温度正常，85度。好的，煎度也符合标喜。
The sorting algorithm efficiency dropped slightly on line 3. I see that. Adjusting the flow rate now. The flow rate on tank 7 looks stable. Good, keep monitoring the pressure levels closely. Water is removed to create rich tomato concentrate.
This tomato concentrate becomes the foundation for multiple tomato products.
A portion of the tomato concentrate is used to make ketchup.
The readout here indicates we are within the optimal temperature range. Yes, the blending is proceeding as expected. The pressure is fluctuating slightly on vat 3. It's still within tolerance, but keep an eye on it.
The viscosity is slightly low on this batch. Yes, but the bricks reading is within spec. We should run the color test again just to be sure. The flow rate seems a little haw on line 3. Keep an eye on it.
The tomato ketchup is now ready for consumers.
The data on the tablet shows consistent flow. Agreed. The pressure gauge confirms it's running smoothly.
Temperature is stable at 90 degrees. Keep the stir rate consistent for 10 more minutes.
Check the viscosity reading on panel 4. Looks stable at 250 CP, exactly to spec.
The viscosity is stable at 2500 CPS.
Good. Maintain the temperature at 90 Celsius.
Check the pressure on line 3. Looks stable now, but I'll make a note.